dream where you see the bird flying may signify the need to forgive someone who has wronged you. Their diet includes berries, nuts, small fruits, snails, and seeds. During the summer, caterpillars are a very important part of their diet. These smart birds often hide food to eat later. They can be quite curious about humans. Sometimes they will sit on a window ledge and seem to peek inside a house. The tufted titmouse is a social bird that often forms small flocks during the non-breeding season. These flocks consist of family members and other individuals from neighboring territories. By joining forces, they increase their chances of finding food and protecting themselves from predators. Conservation status.